Welcome to our latest video showcasing the most massive heavy machinery. Allow us to introduce the Hitachi ZX350LC5, a top-notch excavator that combines power, versatility, and precision. It's equipped with a fuel-efficient Isuzu engine, delivering an impressive 271 horsepower, making it a dependable choice for demanding tasks. Its sturdy boom and arms, supported by a robust mainframe, enable it to tackle the most challenging conditions. Yet, it's not just about strength. The ZX350LC5 prioritizes operator comfort with its spacious, quiet cabin, ergonomic controls, and a multi-language LCD monitor. What sets this Hitachi model apart is its HIOS 3 hydraulic system, ensuring seamless and responsive operations for enhanced productivity. With advanced features like auto shutdown and ECO mode for fuel efficiency, the ZX350LC5 exemplifies Hitachi's fusion of power, innovation, and sustainability. The GXT2555R Genesis has created a massive and robust machine tailored for demolition and scrap processing. Weighing in at 25.6 tons, the GXT2555R exhibits a maximum opening and pull depth of 4.6 feet, showcasing its proficiency in handling various materials of any severity. What distinguishes the GXT2555R from its competitors is its versatility. This formidable apparatus is attached to the Komatsu PC 4000 crawler excavator, a colossal machine with an operational weight of up to 380 tons. The platform's rotation speed clocks in at approximately 4 revolutions per minute, while the machine's top speed reaches a solid 1.24 miles per hour. The engine power soars to an impressive 1,875 horsepower. Accommodating the GXT2555R is a 23-foot-long boom, further extending the reach and capabilities of this behemoth. CAT 657E. The Caterpillar 657E wheel tractor scraper is a highly engineered machine that brings both power and precision to heavy-duty tasks. This dual-engined behemoth not only handles formidable excavation work but also exhibits remarkable versatility, effortlessly navigating diverse terrain. However, the 657E isn't solely about raw strength. Safety is at its core, with features designed to ensure the well-being of the operator. The operator cab, while rugged on the outside, prioritizes comfort to minimize fatigue and enhance productivity. Interestingly, this model's roots trace back to Caterpillar's inaugural scraper in 1931, proving that the 657E is built upon a heritage of innovation. Reliable, efficient, and steeped in a rich legacy, the Caterpillar 657E sets a robust standard for the earth-moving industry. The P&H 2800 Mk2 electric mining shovel, a product of Komatsu, is a juggernaut in the mining industry. Renowned for its exceptional blend of strength and agility, it comes equipped with a 61 cubic yard bucket capacity and a 120-ton payload, making it a trusted companion in heavy-duty digging and loading operations. What distinguishes the 2800 MKIU is its Centurion control system, ensuring superior machine health, diagnostics, and overall performance. The robust AC drive system guarantees consistently high performance, even under the harshest conditions. Its operator cabin is designed for safety and comfort, featuring user-friendly controls and excellent visibility. The 2800 MKIU is a testament to Komatsu's commitment to merging power, efficiency, and safety, revolutionizing the mining industry one scoop at a time. The Liebherr D150T. The stationary concrete pump exemplifies innovation and efficiency in the construction industry. This concrete pump stands out with its exceptional XXT outrigger, the only one of its kind incorporating both front and rear outriggers in the same pivot axis, ensuring exceptional stability. With a maximum concrete output of 135 cubic yards per hour and a vertical reach of 117.4 feet, the 37XXT guarantees high productivity without compromising safety. Its flat-folding outriggers make it suitable for jobs in confined spaces, demonstrating its flexibility. Additionally, the operator-friendly design, incorporating Liebherr's unique ergonomic system, allows for intuitive control, ensuring high performance while reducing operator fatigue. Compact yet potent, the Liebherr 37XXT signifies a significant leap in construction technology. The Hitachi D150T, an innovative mining truck, redefines heavy-duty hauling with its unique combination of power, agility, and durability. With an impressive payload capacity of up to 150 tons, it's well prepared for challenging mining operations. The D150T is powered by a robust 605 horsepower engine and features a swift 16-speed transmission, ensuring robust performance even in demanding conditions. Its remarkable traction control system allows for superior maneuverability and stability, especially on rugged terrains. The Hitachi X3600 is a colossal presence in the world of mining excavators. Its design embodies Hitachi's unwavering commitment to reliability, comfort, and efficiency. With an engine output of up to 1,450 kilowatts, the EX3600 delivers the power required for heavy-duty operations. Its sturdy shovel can handle a backhoe bucket capacity of 22 cubic meters, ensuring high productivity even under challenging conditions. Concerning operator comfort, the X3600 stands out with a spacious air-conditioned cab featuring ergonomic controls. Its onboard information system provides real-time data on performance and maintenance, ensuring optimal machine health and longevity. Hitachi's advanced hydraulic technology guarantees smooth, rapid, and precise movements, maximizing operational efficiency. Combining raw power with technological sophistication, the Hitachi X3600 truly represents the next level in mining excavators. The Liebherr R996B is a hydraulic mining excavator that embodies power and precision in large-scale mining operations. With 22011 horsepower engines, this colossal machine offers a backhoe bucket capacity of 34 cubic meters, effortlessly handling extreme digging tasks. Liebherr's cutting-edge technology ensures maximum productivity and efficiency, with advanced diagnostic systems and innovative hydraulic circuits for smooth, rapid operations. TigerCat 1075B. The TigerCat 1075B, a symbol of rugged resilience, takes on the most challenging forestry tasks with determination. Engineered for gathering, sorting, and transporting logs, this beast can carry a substantial load ranging from 30,000 to 40,000 pounds. Its strength lies in 8 robust Caterpillar wheels, delivering exceptional off-road mobility across various terrains. Equipped with special rippers featuring hard metal blades, this machine redefines durability. Even the rock-strewn ground poses no challenge to its unwavering resolve. Beyond its forestry applications, the 1075B is equally instrumental in preparing land for agricultural activities. From stubborn soil to the rockiest landscapes, nothing deters this versatile workhorse from its mission. Wirtgen WR2500S. When ground stabilization and a robust foundation are essential, the Wirtgen WR2500S recycler is your solution. Equipped with an integrated hopper for binders and a water frame, it's the embodiment of versatility on diverse construction sites. Under the hood, a formidable diesel engine roars to life, delivering a potent 680 horsepower. A capacious 396-gallon fuel tank ensures uninterrupted work, while a top speed of 124 feet per minute keeps things moving briskly. Unfazed by off-road conditions, the machine boasts a ground clearance of 14.5 inches, with tires that grip the ground expertly. Agile for its 70,000-pound weight, the WR2500S is as much about power as it is about maneuverability. Caterpillar 797F. Let's delve into the extraordinary realm of the Caterpillar 797F, one of the world's largest off-highway dump trucks, boasting an astonishing 400-ton payload capacity. Picture this: a powerhouse engine delivering an astounding 4,000 horsepower. It zooms at up to 40 miles per hour, even when fully loaded. Standing over 20 feet tall, 27 feet wide, and stretching 49 feet long, it's a colossal presence. Here's a fascinating tidbit. It's the most expensive production vehicle globally, with a hefty price tag of over $6 million. Its enormous tires tower over 10 feet and weigh more than 10,000 pounds each. The tank can hold over 1,000 gallons of diesel fuel, featuring a sophisticated computer system monitoring 500-plus sensors for safe and efficient operation. When do we unleash this mechanical titan? It's the hero of colossal open-pit mines, transporting massive loads of overburden and ore. Plus, it's your heavyweight champion in construction and demolition, the Caterpillar 797F, an engineering marvel and a testament to human ingenuity. Caterpillar D11T. Allow us to introduce the Caterpillar D11T, the colossal powerhouse of the construction and mining world. With a mind-boggling 1,050 horsepower engine and weighing over a staggering 200,000 pounds, this behemoth can effortlessly move over 1 million pounds of material, taking on the toughest jobs out there. But hold on, there's more. It boasts a top speed of 6 miles per hour, ensuring steady, controlled operation. With a single tank of fuel, it can cover up to 20 miles, making it efficient for long-haul tasks. Sporting an enormous 18-foot wide and 6-foot tall blade, it's built for massive earth-moving missions. Safety comes first. Equipped with a rollover protection system and a rear-view camera, the Caterpillar D11T is the go-to choice for industries like construction, mining, forestry, oil and gas, and agriculture. Picture it: carving highways through virgin land, digging up precious minerals like coal, erecting monumental dams and infrastructures, laying down oil and gas pipelines, shifting colossal amounts of earth. And for movie buffs, here's a fun tidbit. The Caterpillar D11T had its Hollywood moment in Terminator 2: Judgment Day, where the T-1000 gave chase to John and Sarah Connor across a construction site. This is heavy-duty machinery at its finest. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Our commitment is to deliver fresh content daily, curated to enhance your understanding of heavy equipment, construction machinery, cutting-edge technologies, and a wide array of related subjects. See you soon!